It's here for your Mamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So your Mamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So now very interesting. Ghana, very interesting. Obi a yehuno say your comfort kesiye pan. Bosha nembosom no Kweku Bunsam. Your friend Nana Kweku Bunsam. Na Kweku Bunsam so aba bonten. Ebe kase ononso odinese eko share men's gold mu. Na will be better say, na Kweku Bunsam angasa no when be same answer. Bosha asofo nso bebre e de musica ko shemu kum chacha so e ka so de nisika ko shemu si ye kan say ye better say nti kum chacha so nyame enyi anche na ohwa ye say in sorry bebre big churches bi amati omudin e say omo so mo bi musica ko shemu nti ye kan say na nke no say better say na sorry ne nso no nyame enyi anche omo ana na Kweku Bunsam describing the story no e no Kweku Bunsam ne ka say the scene ne say ono no ope Kweku Bunsam ope Shatawale asempa ye ni aye nim se Kweku Bunsam de Shatawale ne number 1 fan nti o say onu ohun se xylophone sign ana ohun se na apia mensa de bia ne Shatawale mo ne Stone Boy mo nami o sanso hu san nyama we no hu se ende abranche we o ya branche pa nti no yen so senia ye be den ye be supporting no se ye ni support nti no o de ne 400,000 Ghana cedis also the girl be or man the girl be at the Sikane Koto of 400,000 Ghana cedis, which is 4 billion old cedis, no 4 billion into your the Koto. Na other Koto no in sense ma no de onyane 1 2 3 bi bosome ba ko mienu mi ensabi ena trese obenya ne mfaso into no de na ohun ne se o chale koye Inti no embra before men's go in sem no basic crano before men's go in sem the basic crano and also see ohun say ye efiaso as nigga ebe ye live video na efiaso as nigga live video ye no efiaso as nigga ka say hey men's go the ye ebegu basata na men's go in sem na nya sha se kra to Kweku Bunsam say ohun sa video no efiaso as nigga ho no ka say efiaso as nigga no oye before na o kan bibia na trese ne kre fi say if you as nigga no sa na Kweku Bunsam no kan say if you as nigga no dey before ti o kan bibia na trese ya bim pan ti no ono Kweku Bunsam na so tun wan na mo nti o say ho no ansa okọ so ne so na one ne mbosom no ekọ hwemu ti o say one ne mbosom no ekọ kasae na ne mbosom no ka tre ne say men's good in se mebesi wo Ghana de eso to say the ACCCI or say na the boss of the catching say men's good in same be see Ghana no enye easy until why no Kweku Bunsam dey na so koyi the 4 billion no but okọ no we nya 4 billion ni a onya 3.5 billion na 3.5 billion yi onya we no eno mo ka say 50,000 na aka no which is 500 million na aka no on begin later na later omo kwa ba na men's good in sense nia ebesi ye nti no ono there at least yes wo sha to me only 3.5 billion emanika 500 million ewom but enye say ade a ne ya because o hwe senior nkrofo hu ekodim no ono ne at least a year and aside that ne kra no scar ono the two mu 400 a year Ghana cedis into no at least every month no na onya 40,000 and waje for be 1-2 months into no watene kakra just watene ka into 500 million ne ka won no energy because o hwe se ne ankofo sika akọ kemu o se 500 million ne de energy odeje omo na therefore way was reported by GHP.com but me tape no wa nsema Kweku Bunsam na kan o kan bi kan me won nsema ono akan ni ntino mebo atremo but before that me read the short article me read tremo we na mabo Kweku Bunsam nensem ono anenum nsem na I say popular fetish priest in Ghana Nana Kweku Bunsam has revealed that he invested 400,000 Ghana cedis with now embattled gold dealership company, Men's Gold. According to the spiritual man, he was influenced to invest with the company after their associate company, Xylophone Music, signed their two giant dancehall artists, Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale. Speaking in an interview with Kasapa FM, Nana Kwaku Bonsam admitted that he invested such a huge amount through one of his female friends. Now, Orion Otel say, however, he added that he was able to save himself from troubles through the words from comedian Efia Schwarzenegger, who before BOG's attempts had always predicted the troubles of the company. Nana Kwaku Bonsam revealed that following the alert information from Efia, he proceeded to withdraw 350,000 Ghana cedis of the total amount. But later on, with another attempt to retrieve the rest, he was told to come back another day for the 50,000 Ghana cedis, which he is currently trying to reclaim. That is the 50 cedis. No, why not just say, yeah, then crowd easy. Speaking on the whereabouts of the company CEO, Nana Appiah Mensah, aka Nam1, Kwaku Bonsam said he could not speak to the current location of the Men's Gold CEO, Nana Appiah Mensah, who is believed to be waiting for trial in Dubai. Now, it's here for when Asema that was Osha Kwaku Bonsam Ede the voice account. Now, if the Kwaku Bonsam was 50,000 now, now if you see all the chill, say 50,000 or page. Hey, I like Kwaku Bonsam. Say 15 is or page. Now, what share a year, baby, very interesting. They said the last paragraph, Omubisan says, speaking on the whereabouts of the company CEO, Nana Appiah Mensah, aka Nam1, Kwaku Bonsam said he could not speak to the current location of the Men's Gold CEO, Nana Appiah Mensah, who is believed to be waiting. Not to say, Kwaku Bonsam yebisa no say Kwaku Bonsam senia otumi ko hwehwe mu okoso ne so otumi ko mu a ye kire wo say eye Nana Appiah Mensah na Men's Gold no ebegu no sabio untumi enkom na unhu bibia Nana Appiah Mensah ohya na ne enhu say Ghana for no ana police for no eye ntro na omudi because still nkofo believe say police no ntro na omudi ena Kwaku Bonsam ka say ono de eno ho asem de ontumi enka eno asem de enya de a obetumi ayede aka internet for we ni asema eda ho but senia me promise mu no mebo Kwaku Bonsam ne tape no ne audio no na trese mwate intino yenkonkofa eye Kwaku Bonsam ne voice na mu hu say yes onangasa ene kasa
yenye wono Xylophone ye huwa kwadu kakre o
eh wafo Bofo wa misam wo ho agodim
takra
Bofo ubisa ya nza na hu godim
mesiminia me ye nu se Shatta Wale Stonebwoy wa ne ya sha o mu na te de nyina de ye boa avedie
Kofi sika nyina asha zal asa Men's Gold Kofi antimia anhunu de besie
oh nyane sa ho
yey bofo
me ma me girl bi o me girl bi na ma no koye me girl bi na ku ye go ko to na ja ye si ade o ko to a eji bo tuni ni nu a o be nya kakra ho na fe dia check half ai afa dia nna nta afia so sele gadi bi no ba so se kiri ti afia so sele go be ifo ni ba dia afia so sele ga afia be ifo afia ka sa me die accept tutu su one afia frem se afia wo du ko ku bi afia wa ku bi afia o ta den se afia den ko fi go fia ka wa se abi ye go fi go fi die fa fi ka pambra ya fa ko dan ye ka o Xylophone na se ta tena se mi nyamba yo era o ka se afia to man hwe mansa we hear one of Sophia Xylophone asema wo ka no asem no ade e be ba kese be kese edi so sika wa mimi de ndie ye kwa ye de ka kwa ku yi no o ma ka ka ne be 4 billion te ana o mu 3.5 edi a kire ni ku 500 de 500 de sisa ana de obi 10 billion ka ko 10 billion na 500 billion se mi fecha afia ka ya pe
enti ode 1.2 million Ghana cedis na koto
There be 4 billion.
No, say 12 billion.
There is 4 billion.
4 billion. Okay. That's a 400,000.
And this is that. No be 10 billion, it's 10 billion come on.
That's 400,000 the 1 day consultation fee.
I just told me I'm going to say, if you are going to see your young and they said because you come back.